Good day, we are the Santelmo Group and we will be presenting our bank system with built-in SQL database. So this is our database. So we have the username 1234, the balance is 15,000 and the pin is 1234. So we're gonna run the bank system and we're gonna withdraw 5,000. Our remaining balance is 10,000. So we're gonna check if it's updated in the database. We're gonna execute the query. See, it's updated and the pin is 1234. Next is deposit cash. We're going to deposit 500 and our new balance is 10,500 and we're gonna check if it's updated in the database. So as you can see, it's 10,500. Next is we're gonna check our balance. Our balance is 10,500. It is correct. And then the pin, so our old pin is 1234. We're going to change it to 4321 and then enter. And then we're gonna do a query again. So the balance is 10,500 and the pin has changed to 4321. So we're gonna try to withdraw cash again using the new pin 4321 and we're gonna withdraw 500. So our balance should be 10,000 and we're gonna check it again. Here 10,000 and the pin is 4221. We're going to deposit 2,000 pesos and the balance should be 12,000. We're going to query again and 12,000 and the pin is 4221 and we're gonna check the balance 4321. The balance is 12,000. We're gonna change pin again to 1234. And we're gonna check if the pin has changed from 4321 to 1234. So we're gonna run a simple Python script that will check everything. So we're just gonna run this one. See, here's the database. So it's good and running. It's connected. That's all. Thank you.